From the 19th century, we moved to a painting called Glimmering Dawn, as the dawn of the new century, the 20th. A triple composition, again, tripartite composition that carries the tone and atmosphere of the imagery into the 20th century. The attitudes and motions of the figures and forms appear defined by a combination, a web of far-lit strings that emerge from a semi-sphere with an umbrella shape of alluding to a nuclear bomb or nuclear explosion, which is a reflection of the 20th century and life under the shadow and existence of atomic power and atomic explosion and atomic wars, as has been shown during World War II when the atomic bomb was dropped on in Japan, on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These strings seem to emerge from this sphere that remind us of this terrible presence of nuclear explosion in our lives. And around it, around this picture, we see a sort of menacing lines that tangle up the spanned wings of a bird who is wishing he could fly, but he cannot because his strings tangle up his wings. And these strings extend themselves over the surface with intense forms and textures throughout the picture. The planes, the structures of these triple plane is dominated by the physical presence of a number of figures here whose posture and gesture orient the shapes and forms of other figures and blend the varying relationship with their surroundings. The space separating the three planes reveals imagery or suggestion of sensuous figures flowing within our matter. There's a number of other works on paper or canvas, or much smaller work that were done on the series, many more contemporary events in the 20th century, but I left it at this with only one single painting representing the incoming of the 20th century, which the series brings out these 9 paintings.